Hey guys, I am back. We are going to start with the KyBrow Kylie Jenner brow pomade in medium brown or medium chocolate, and we're just gonna do the eyebrows first of all. Okay, this is gonna be super fast. I like to have my eyebrows super dark. Okay, not chola dark, but just about chola dark. Okay.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
Bam! Okay, missed that, but you get it. So we are going to go in with Milani Prime Shield, which is the primer that I was using at the time. Milani is a great drugstore brand if you're looking for something affordable, but still great quality product. Next, we are going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I will swear by this concealer, okay? This is the only concealer I use besides Fenty Beauty. Tarte Shape Tape is honestly the best. I use it to conceal bags under my eyes. I use it to carve out my eyebrows. It is literally the holy grail. Next, we'll be going in with the Milk Makeup Banana Powder or Setting Powder. This was really good. It was very soft and it had a very pretty finish to it. Now it is the Friendcation palette by Dose of Colors, and it's the collab that Katy and Desi Perkins did together, which I love them. They are my favorite influencers, YouTubers ever. We are going to be doing like a minimal nude brown look, which is super simple, super easy for everyday makeup wear. What you want to do is you want to get a gradient, okay? So what I like to do is I always like to start from lightest to darkest. So lightest goes right above the brow, right below the brow bone, and then as you get closer to your eyelid is when you want to go dark. I will be cut creasing eye here using the Tarte Shape Tape. What I like to do here is I like to roll my eyes, as you can clearly see, and that pinpoints where my cut crease is at. Like, we're going to go back in with this Cheens color. It is the darkest color, and we will be blending in the sides. So the outer corners we will be blending inward. Check out my little shadow right there. She is a little toot, but I love her. This is when Lash makes a small appearance in the video. They love to be in my beauty room, guys. Here I am using the Tacha Silk Peony. It is a melting eye cream for all skin types. This really helps with the creases under my eyes. I put this on usually before I put my concealer on. Do not come for me for my dirty beauty blender, okay? Just don't. We'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. I am in shade 335W. I love this. It's very luminous. It gives me kind of like a dewy glow, but without making my face oily. I love this foundation. It's my second to favorite other than Fenty. Of course, I'm a Fenty beauty lover. You know this. We're also going in with concealer finally using Tarte Shape Tape. I put it at my chin, my forehead, and underneath my eyes. And I always use the shade lighter, guys, okay? Because that brightens up your whole face. Ow! Next, guys, we're going in with the Airspun finishing powder, setting powder. I use this underneath my eyes. Yes, I use a lot of powders, okay? My face gets super oily and I like powder. We'll be going in with the NYX bronzer little set palette thing. I like my bronzer super dark because it blends in very well once I put a finishing powder on top of everything, and I use setting spray. And plus, like, my contoured nose is everything, okay? Next, we are contouring the face with bronzer, guys, okay? Up top, if you have a thicker, bigger forehead, you do a thicker bronzer. That'll give the illusion of a smaller forehead. Wiping off all the setting powder that we put to let our face bake, okay? And next, we'll be going in with the holy grail of all holy grails. This is the all-nighter Urban Decay setting powder, okay? This blurs magically. It makes your face look auto-tuned. I love it. It's waterproof, sweat-proof. You can literally go swimming in this and it would not mess up your makeup, okay? Love it. Look at how it all just blends together perfectly, guys. Oh my god, what a beauty. We are bringing the eyeshadow from up top down into our waterline area, so it's the outer corner area and below your lash line. This right here just makes everything come together. I keep coming back to this liner, y'all. It's the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is just super easy to use, especially if you're doing a wing moment, okay? My wings always turn out looking like they're not even related, but with this liner, they come out looking like cousins and sisters, okay? It's insane. Sometimes I can even get them to look like twins. You know how hard that shit is? To finish off the liner business situation, we're going in with the ColorPop black liner. I believe it's called Overtime, something like that. Super easy, glides on super fast, super dark, beautiful. We'll be going in with this shimmer shade right here that goes above the eyes, which is right underneath the brow bone. That just gives you a little oomph. Next is the Morphe blush palette. I like the pinkier, orangier tones of blushes, okay? It's my vibe. It just looks better on my face. Look at that. It is gorgeous. Now my favorite part, it's time for the lips, okay? We are going in with the NYX Club Hopper matte lip liner. Super pretty. It's a NYX suede color. Love it. I like to overline my lips just a tad bit because my top lip is smaller than my bottom lip. I wish I could get injections, but your girl breaks out too easily, so this is all I can do for now. Now it's the lipstick. We're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade Peachy. I love this color. It blends well. I love to match up a dark liner with a nude lip. Then we're going to go in and top it off with a Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. That is super sparkly, super pretty. look at it. It just gives it that pop. You always want to put it in the middle of your lips too to make your lips look bigger. And finally, the OG all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay Cosmetics, and the Lash, which is Princess Lash. I love these both together. The setting spray is chef's kiss. There you have it, guys. That is the look. I hope you enjoyed my commentary. I post videos every single Monday. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Peace.